Do you like to travel by train?
Yes, I enjoy traveling by train.
Have you ever tried sushi?
No, I haven't tried sushi yet.
What's your favorite type of shoe?
I prefer comfortable sneakers.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle.
Do you prefer texting or calling?
I prefer texting most of the time.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
My favorite memory is camping with family.
Have you ever been to a music festival?
Yes, I've been to a few music festivals.
Do you have a favorite board game?
Yes, I like playing Monopoly.
What's your go-to karaoke song?
I enjoy singing Bohemian Rhapsody.
Are you a morning shower or evening shower person?
I prefer evening showers.
Have you ever tried bungee jumping?
No, I haven't tried bungee jumping.
What's your favorite type of ice cream?
I love chocolate chip cookie dough.
Do you enjoy watching documentaries?
Yes, I find documentaries interesting.
Have you ever been to a comedy show?
Yes, I've been to a stand-up comedy show.
What's your favorite app on your phone?
I use Instagram the most.
Do you have a favorite historical figure?
I admire Abraham Lincoln.
Are you good at remembering names?
No, I often forget names.
Have you ever tried rock climbing?
No, I haven't tried rock climbing.
What's your favorite type of sandwich?
I like turkey and avocado sandwiches.
Do you enjoy watching sunrise or sunset?
I prefer watching the sunset.
Have you ever volunteered for a cause?
Yes, I've volunteered at a local shelter.
Do you have a favorite quote?
Live in the moment is my favorite quote.
Have you ever ridden a horse?
No, I've never ridden a horse.
What's your favorite type of coffee?
I like a simple black coffee.
Do you like to go to the gym?
Yes, I enjoy working out at the gym.
Have you ever planted a tree?
Yes, I planted a tree in my backyard.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I enjoy studying history.
Do you have a favorite holiday tradition?
Decorating the Christmas tree is my favorite.
Have you ever been on a hot air balloon ride?
No, I haven't been on a hot air balloon.
What's your favorite type of cheese?
I like cheddar cheese.
Do you enjoy cooking at home?
Yes, I like trying new recipes.
Have you ever been scuba diving?
No, I haven't tried scuba diving.
What's your favorite type of flower?
I like roses.
Do you enjoy going to the theater?
Yes, I like watching live performances.
Have you ever written a poem?
No, I haven't written a poem.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I like mild and sunny weather.
Do you prefer reading ebooks or physical books?
I prefer physical books.
Have you ever tried meditation?
Yes, I practice meditation regularly.
What's your favorite type of fruit?
I love strawberries.
Do you have a favorite childhood TV show?
Yes, I loved watching SpongeBob SquarePants.
Have you ever participated in a marathon?
No, I haven't run in a marathon.
What's your favorite type of pasta?
I enjoy eating spaghetti.
Do you like to plan things ahead or be spontaneous?
I prefer planning ahead.
Have you ever been to a zoo?
Yes, I've been to several zoos.
What's your favorite type of cookie?
I like chocolate chip cookies.
Do you enjoy watching science fiction movies?
Yes, I find them fascinating.
Have you ever tried surfing?
No, I haven't tried surfing.
What's your favorite type of breakfast?
I enjoy a hearty omelette.
Do you like to watch the sunrise by the ocean?
Yes, it's a beautiful experience.
Have you ever visited a famous landmark?
Yes, I've been to the Eiffel Tower in Paris.
Do you enjoy hiking in the mountains?
Yes, I love in the mountains.
Have you ever tried painting?
No, I haven't tried painting.
What's your favorite type of movie genre?
I enjoy watching romantic comedies.
Can you play a musical instrument?
No, I don't play any instruments.
What's your favorite type of shoe?
I prefer comfortable sneakers.
Have you ever ridden a roller coaster?
Yes, I've been on a roller coaster before.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't enjoy spicy food.
What's your favorite board game?
I like playing Scrabble.
Do you enjoy going to the gym?
Yes, I go to the gym regularly.
Have you ever tried a new cuisine?
Yes, I've tried Thai cuisine.
What's your favorite type of dessert?
I love chocolate ice cream.
Do you have a favorite TV show?
Yes, my favorite show is Friends.
Have you ever been to a music concert?
Yes, I've been to a few concerts.
What's your favorite type of car?
I like compact cars.
Do you enjoy shopping for clothes?
Yes, I like shopping for clothes.
Have you ever tried surfing?
No, I haven't tried surfing.
What's your favorite type of fruit juice?
I enjoy orange juice.
Do you like to watch documentaries?
Yes, I find them informative.
Have you ever been on a long road trip?
Yes, I've been on a cross-country road trip.
What's your favorite type of sandwich?
I like turkey and cheese sandwiches.
Do you enjoy photography?
Yes, I love taking pictures.
Have you ever tried skydiving?
No, I haven't tried skydiving.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
Playing in the backyard with friends.
Do you like to watch the stars at night?
Yes, stargazing is fascinating.
Have you ever cooked a meal from scratch?
Yes, I enjoy cooking homemade meals.
What's your favorite type of soda?
I like cola.
Do you enjoy going to museums?
Yes, I find museums interesting.